Hello everyone, today in Sangee's Cookery we're going to see how to prepare a Keere Masiyal. Keere Masiyal is a very simple South Indian dish which is prepared with minimal ingredients. Keere in English means spinach and Masiyal means crushing it. So it is basically made by crushing the spinach. I've already done another video with Keere Masiyal without garlic, and this particular ingredient has a little bit of garlic and tomatoes. This particular recipe goes very well with sambar rice or rasam rice, or can be just simply had along with curd rice. It really tastes yum and it is packed with nutrients, as you all know. So let's see how we prepare it. And before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, I would request all the viewers to subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon for further interesting recipes. I've taken one bunch of amaranthus. I have cut it into small pieces. 2 tomatoes chopped. A teaspoon of jeera. Handful of small onions, 2 to 3 green chilies, some curry leaves, 2 to 3 flakes of garlic, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of salt, hing or asafoetida half a teaspoon. For seasoning, in coconut oil 1 teaspoon, a teaspoon of mustard seeds, a teaspoon of jeera, a teaspoon of urad dal, and 2 to 3 red chilies. So for this recipe, I'm going to take the earthen pot. If you have an earthen pot, it will add to the flavor of the dish. So first I'm going to add some water. So I'm going to add the following ingredients. Jeera, I'm adding the garlic, small onions, green chilies. If you don't have the small onions, you can always substitute with the big onions, and some curry leaves. I'm also going to add the tomatoes. I'm also going to add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt. Let's cover this and cook for a few minutes. It's been about 5 minutes. Just opening the lid. Yeah, you can see that the tomatoes have become nice, soft. At this stage, I'm adding the finely chopped amaranthus. You can use any kind of spinach for this. Each spinach has got its own nutritional value, so you can try with different types of spinach as well. Today, I'm using the amaranthus. After adding the spinach, I'm just adding about half a teaspoon of sugar. This is just optional so that the color of the spinach does not change. So you need to nicely mix it up and cover it for a few more minutes. You don't have to add water because already you have added some water in the beginning, and spinach also leaves some water. And I'm going to cover this and cook for a few more minutes. So this is about 5 to 7 minutes, and you can see it's cooked nicely. At this stage, I'm just going to switch off the gas. So you can see, because I'm cooking in an earthen pot, even after switching off the gas, it is still boiling. So now I'm just going to strain the excess water so that we can mash it using a masher. So if you drain the water, you will be able to mash it well. So basically, they used to use the curd churner, either with the pav bhaji masher or anything. You need to mash it, because by mashing like this, it gives you a very good taste. Mash this nicely. But in case if you don't have any of these things, you can use a whipper mode in the mixie and mash it into a coarse paste. It's come to a nice smooth gravy. Now I'm also going to add the water which I have taken before. At this stage, you can even check for salt, and if required, you can add salt accordingly. We have come to the final stage. We have to do the seasonings. For the seasoning, I have added around 3 teaspoons of coconut oil. So now the oil has got heated up slightly. Just going to add the mustard seeds and jeera. Then I'll be adding the urad dal and the red chilies. Switch off the gas. Now I'll also add a little bit of hing powder. So I'm going to transfer the seasoning. So what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to mash it a little bit so that the spice of the red chili also gets mixed up in the masiyal nicely. So the very healthy and tasty Keere Masiyal, or the spinach masiyal. This is in the Tamil Nadu style with onion, garlic and tomato. I hope you'll all try out this Keere Masiyal recipe, and if you like it, please share it with your friends and relatives. I'll be meeting you all with yet another wonderful recipe. Until then, have a great day.